even if you don't believe me, or you don't believe that the central issuance of currency is corrupted already, then in theory you must agree with me that it can be, that it theoretically could be. And if you do agree that it theoretically could be, then you must also agree that there must be some sort of a check and a balance. There must be some transparency and accountability to it. And that it's actually paramount. It's so important. I mean, let's look at it as a game of Monopoly. I'm sure you've played one. If a player is also acting as the bank, the person who controls when the money gets passed out, when they pass go, or when they buy and sell properties. If a player is also acting as a player on the board, then you want to make sure that that person's playing fair, that he's not, you know, taking a couple extra bucks here and there, or taking some properties that haven't been purchased yet. And it's the same thing in the world's economy. You want the central banks, anybody who's issuing money, to be playing fair and to taking their correct amount. But the thing is, as I've explained, we're all human, and that power corrupts. So if you theoretically agree with me that it can be, or it could be, then you must agree that there needs to be something in place to stop it from being corrupted, and that it's so powerful that it's just got to be that way. And I would say the only way for that to be is for it to be outside of any one person's control. It has to be money, the issuance of money, the creation of new currency cannot be something that is in control of any particular group of people. It's just not going to work. Well, let me know what you think. Do you think that it's corrupted? Yes or no? Do you think that there is some other safeguard that could work besides the natural extraction of gold and silver out of the ground? I mean, there are other viable options, but if you look at the definition of money, the only ones that pass all the tests is gold and silver. Let me know what you think, what your thoughts are.